Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how we shrink wrap our lip balms. It's a very simple process. So I've already got the lip balm made. This one's just plain vanilla. It's for a custom order. So I've got our label on all the way around, and you can see our label actually connects and overlaps a little bit. So you take your little shrink wrap bag specifically for this size tube, and you just kind of, it's not easy to do when I can't see it as well. There we go. So you just push it on, and right here it's perforated. So that part's actually going to go right where the lid meets. So we're gonna put it like that, which leaves it where it's not overlapping onto this part right here. So, oh, and then I shifted it. So after you do that, put these over here. You take your heat gun. This is just a very basic one from Amazon. I can put a link to it if anyone needs it. Now it's going to be kind of loud, so if you want to mute your video, go right ahead. So you're going to turn it on, and then I start from the top and go all the way down to the bottom and slowly rotate it. So go make sure your label's right, and then we'll turn it on now. That's it. It is shrink wrapped and super easy to take off, and I'm not going to demonstrate how to take it off because I need this one for an order. But at the perforations right here, so all the customers have to do is grab a little piece right here and just pull it off, and so the bottom half of the tube is still going to stay shrink wrapped, which is going to help the label to stay on better, but the cap will be able to be removed. So I'm going to show you a few more times, and then that will be it. There we go. Okay guys, so today our cameraman was my little one. Say hi, Eli.
Hi.
But I will be back as soon as I can. I hope this helps you guys.